go, buddy. Nice job, man. Nice easy warm-up single track. Unexpected there. Ridgeline Trail. All right, so we're on the south side of Boulders. There's James over there. There's Chris. Got Cody behind me. We're riding up this ridge, apparently, that James told us about. So, yeah, should be a fun one. Nice.
You got a hell of a lot better.
Thanks, man.
A hell of a lot faster since I rode with you last time.
I appreciate it. I've been riding a lot with this guy. He's been helping me.
You ride a lot. You know how I say you have to challenge yourself once a ride? Yeah. These next 2 miles will be your challenge.
sometimes going too slow is not good. Hell of a view there. Oh, I feel like we just climbed up Daisy Mountain. Why do I let you talk me into this?
Maybe I lied. I thought that was the final stretch. I forgot about this one.
Is it this one and then down?
No, yeah, this is actually the last one.
Oh God, anxiety central right now.
Love the shit out of it up this track. I know, that's why I love it. You guys have to maintain speed on the 250s. Yeah. You hit that second gear and just pedal the clutch the whole way up. It'll go right up before you.
Fuck me, dude. Ooh, it's loose. Ah, brother. Didn't commit. This might be tough. What do you think I should do here? Try to crawl it up?
Pound it first.
Fuck that. Fuck that. That was scary as fuck. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was definitely the steepest hill I've ever gone up.
Yeah, James has a way of doing that where he'll bring you up the steepest shit you've ever done before. So
He literally does this to me every time we ride. He always brings me to something I don't want to do.
trust me, man. He did the same thing to me when I started out. So yeah, it's good to ride with riders like that who are you know, patient and can show you some awesome techniques and take their time as well and help you up it. So all right, ready?